Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my iPhone XS and I'm going to install the screen protector and it's going to be a glass screen protector. These glass screen protectors are tempered glass and that's going to protect our iPhone. So without wasting time, let's get started. In order to install the glass screen protector, you need a tempered glass itself, then microfiber cloth, and we're going to open it. This company has provided an extra tool. In the past we used to put the screen protector and we aligned it, but they give the nice jig. You put it on top and then you put the screen protector. So this one has a wet wipes. The first one says wet and the other one is dry. 3 wipes, 3 screen protectors. First I'm going to use the microfiber cloth and I'm going to clean. And it's good idea always to turn off the phone. You shut down. Use the wet. We're going to make sure that we cleaned it nicely. And we're going to make sure that we dry it off. So as you see, the glass screen protector has a label which we're going to remove it. And then once removed, we're going to just drop it in. And this jig will align it itself. So once we open it, we're just going to, this is really so easy. In the past we used to align it, we're going to make sure that it's, pressed nicely, aligned nicely. With the jig, it's like a 1-second job. It's all done. Press it firmly. We have our beautiful glass screen protector. And good thing is, you won't see the difference as for the touch. So I would definitely recommend the glass screen protector rather than the plastic one. If you are interested, I'll provide the part number under my description. So please check it out. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.